Hello, I'm Suzie Candlin, the Cricut European trainer, and today we're going to make a 3D Easter egg ornament. For this you will need some decorative background paper, a couple of beads, some glue and some thread. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Design Space account. In the account button on the top left of your screen, we're then going to create a new project. We're going to insert an image, and in the search button we're going to type egg, and I'm going to select an egg shape to use. So click on it and insert image. You'll notice that this egg has two different layers to it. I don't want this top decorative layer, so in the right hand layers window I'm just going to click on the eye to hide that layer, and you'll see it disappear from the design screen. If I open the edit window I can see the size. It's about 2.5 inches by 1.7, so I'm just going to make it fractionally bigger. And then I'm going to put a score line down the middle of it. The score line is a free image in insert shapes, so I'm going to create a score line and drag it so that it is down the centre of the egg. Once it's in the position that you want, if you then drag a box over both images and in the layers window click attach. I'm then going to highlight the image and then copy and paste that image so that I have got 5 of them. Once we've done that, we're ready to cut. So I go to the map preview screen. Once we're ready to go, hit the go button. Place your decorative paper onto the Cricut Explore mat. Here I'm using the standard grip mat and using the scraper tool just to remove any air bubbles underlying the paper. Load the mat, you see the arrows flashing already, so you place it underneath the guidelines, butt up against the roller and press load. You'll then have an on-screen prompt to load your scoring stylus into accessory clamp A. So open up port A. Just support it underneath, look at the arrow on the tool, press down until the arrow disappears and close the accessory clamp. Then select the material you're using. I'm going to select light cardstock, then going to press go. Once the project is finished, you just unload the mat and carefully peel back the paper. Carefully remove the projects from the mat. Each of these eggs you're going to fold in half along their score line. Use your scraper tool to give you a nice crisp crease. You're then going to glue the eggs together. I use PVA glue, but you can equally use double-sided tape. The glue just allows you a bit of movement to align the eggs together. Put glue on one side, pick up another egg and glue one side of it to the other. And you're going to continue to do this till all 5 are glued in one stack. To dry for a few seconds. So I've got some fine thread here. You could use ribbon as well, and you'll need a bead. Cut yourself a length of thread or ribbon, whichever you're using, and I'm going to thread it through the bead. And then the trick is to tie a knot that is big enough to stop the thread coming back through the bead. I usually find with these smaller beads that a double knot is sufficient. Don't worry about scruffy ends at this stage because we can trim once we're finished. Find the sides that are open still, and then if you run some glue in the gap, glue on one of the sides, lay your thread across the gap with the bead at the bottom and close the egg up. And there you have your hanging egg. If you want any more information on any of the products you've seen today, visit our website or the Hobbycraft blog, or pop into a Hobbycraft store and speak to one of our colleagues.